Digital manufacturing is the process of utilizing digital technologies to improve the way manufacturing works. So it's really about how can we enhance productivity, how can we improve on throughputs, and how can we reduce the errors in manufacturing.
The benefits of using digital tools in manufacturing and the supply chain is potentially to de-risk the implementation of new technologies, so operating in a virtual environment and proving out those technologies and proving out those solutions before you make that significant capital investment.
The world of manufacturing is undergoing dramatic change. We need a fusion of capabilities and skills, specifically when it comes to information technology.
Manufacturing nowadays is not all red sparks and heat. It's far more complex than that. It's an intellectual challenge. It's very much more related to computer games than it is related to hot iron and blast furnaces.
We're not necessarily looking at disciplines in a siloed manner, like mechanical engineering or industrial engineering. We're now looking at how we can bring these things together so that we're problem solving and not necessarily just looking at an individual perspective.
I'm able to develop my problem-solving abilities and also improve on my research and ability to think how the industry works.
It really is an industrial revolution. This is not some dark, dingy, boring type of job. We want to enthuse ourselves and we want to enthuse the future generation.
Without the human aspect, I personally don't see where the future creativity would come from, and that's essential for society to solve the challenges it currently faces.
It's the whole landscape that we're trying to look at. So the biggest opportunity is to look at this in a holistic way and develop solutions so that they're solving real-life challenges.
We're not just teaching them technology, we're not just teaching them maths, we're not just teaching them how to do advanced data analytics. We do all of that, but within the context of achieving something through people and for purpose.